Hello, my wonderful friends. I am so happy you are here today.
Hi, everyone. It is so good to see you. Or, well, it is good that you can see us.
How are you feeling today? Are you happy? Are you healthy?
I hope you are feeling great. But, Wilbert, sometimes we don't feel great.
That is true, Donna. Sometimes we feel a little bit bleh.
Yes, sometimes our head hurts or our stomach hurts.
And when that happens, where do we go?
We go to the doctor.
Exactly. Today, we are learning English for the doctor's office. This is very important English.
Very, very important. It can be scary to go to a doctor in a different country.
It is a little scary, but we are here to help you. We will make it easy.
Before we start the lesson,
Please like this video. It helps our channel a lot.
and subscribe. Become part of our English family.
Thank you so much. Now take a deep breath. Relax. Let's go to the doctor together.
Okay, Wilbert, imagine I am at home. I feel sick.
Oh no, I am sorry to hear that.
I need to call the doctor. I need an appointment.
That is a big word, appointment. Let's say it slowly together.
Appointment.
An appointment is just a time and a day to see the doctor.
So I call the office. I say, I would like to make an appointment.
Very good, Donna. Let's repeat that for our friends.
I would like to make an appointment.
Wilbert, can you be the person at the doctor's office? Yes, I am the receptionist. Hello, this is the medical center. How can I help you?
Hello, I would like to make an appointment.
Okay, what is your name?
My name is Donna.
And why do you need to see the doctor, Donna?
I have a bad cough.
Oh dear, we have an opening at 2 p.m. today. Is that okay?
Yes, 2 p.m. is perfect. Thank you.
You're welcome. See you then.
See, that was not too hard.
No, it was very simple. Now, Donna is at the doctor's office. She is in the waiting room.
The waiting room is where you sit and you wait.
Yes, you see chairs, you see magazines, you see other sick people.
And then someone calls your name. Donna?
That's me. I am the nurse now. Donna, please come with me.
Okay, I follow the nurse.
First, I need to check your vitals.
Vitals. What does that mean?
It means simple things like your weight and your height.
Oh, I don't like checking my weight.
No one likes that, Donna, but it is important. I also check your temperature.
To see if I have a fever.
Yes, a fever is when your body is too hot.
Repeat with us. Fever.
Fever. Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so. I feel very warm.
Now the doctor comes in. Hello, Donna. I am Dr. Wilbert.
Dr. Wilbert, you look very smart.
Thank you. Now, Donna, tell me, what is the matter?
That's a good question. What is the matter? It means, what is the problem?
Yes, or I can say, how are you feeling?
Well, doctor, I don't feel well. I have a headache.
A headache. Your head hurts.
Yes, it hurts right here.
Let's learn ache. It means pain.
Headache.
Stomach ache.
Backache.
Earache.
Wait, can I say leg ache?
No, we usually just say my leg hurts. English is funny, right?
Yes, very funny. So I have a headache and a sore throat.
A sore throat. That means it hurts when you swallow or talk.
Yes, it feels like I have sand in my throat.
Oh, that sounds bad. Let's repeat. Sore throat.
Sore throat.
As the doctor, I need to check you. I say, open your mouth and say, ah. Good, very wide. Now I use my stethoscope.
The stethoscope is the tool for the heart.
Yes, I say, take a deep breath
Donna.
and breathe out. Perfect. Your heart sounds good. Your lungs sound clear.
That is good news.
But your throat is very red. I think you have a cold.
Just a cold? Not the flu?
No, just a common cold. You need rest.
I like rest. I can sleep all day.
And you need to drink plenty of fluids.
Fluids just means water, juice, or tea, right?
Exactly. Drink a lot of water.
Do I need medicine?
Yes, I will give you a prescription.
Another big word, prescription.
A prescription is a piece of paper. You take it to the pharmacy.
Ah, the pharmacy is where I buy the medicine.
Yes, sometimes we call it the drugstore.
Okay, so the doctor gives me a prescription for my cough.
Take 1 pill twice a day.
1 pill in the morning?
Yes, and 1 pill at night, with food,
Why with food?
so your stomach does not hurt.
Oh, good idea.
You are doing so well, my friends. Let's practice our key phrases one more time.
Yes, repeat after Wilbert.
I would like to make an appointment. Pause.
What is the matter? Pause.
I have a headache. Pause.
I have a sore throat. Pause.
Where does it hurt? Pause.
Take a deep breath. Pause.
I need a prescription. Pause.
Very good. You sound like a native speaker already.
We hope you enjoyed this trip to the doctor.
It is much better to practice here with us than to actually be sick.
That is true. Stay healthy, everyone. Drink your water and eat your vegetables. Apple, broccoli.
And remember, practice makes perfect. Listen to this conversation again while you cook or walk.
We want to hear from you. Tell us in the comments.
What do you do when you have a cold? Do you drink tea? Do you sleep a lot?
Tell us. We love reading your comments.
See you in the next video.
Bye-bye.
Take care.